guys, so I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on the Preemie beanie that I make in one of my other videos called Never Have I Ever. I mentioned it, and I sell a couple hundred of these little tiny Preemie beanie baby hats every year, and so I just want to do a real quick tutorial on it. So I'm just using some scrap yarn. It's just 100% acrylic scrap yarn. It's a real good way to use up yarn or your scraps. So let's get into it. We're going to start off with a magic ring. And then we're going to chain up 2. And then we're going to put 10 double crochet into this magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, and I'm just using a 5.5 millimeter hook. I lost count. 5, 6, 7, 8, it's 9, and 10. So we're just going to tighten that up and then slip stitch into the first double crochet of the round to join it up, and then chain up 2 and put 2 double crochets into that same stitch. And then we're going to put 2 double crochets in every stitch all the way around, and your stitch count should be 20 after that. I will meet back up with y'all when I get all the way around. Okay. And then for round 3, you're going to chain up 2 and double crochet in that same stitch, just 1 double crochet. And then the next one, you'll do a double crochet increase, so 2 double crochets. And then in the next one, you're going to do 1, and then in the next one, you'll do 2. And I believe it'll be 30 stitches at the end of round 3 that you'll have in total. I've never actually counted them, and I'm not great at math, but I'm thinking it's gonna be 30. And I will meet back up with y'all for round 4. Okay, so that round 3 is the last round that has any increases, and so this is going to be the crown of your baby beanie. And mine measures about 3.5 inches, give or take. Of course, if you use a heavier yarn, or well, about 3.25. me see. Yeah, about three and a half. Yeah. If you use a heavier yarn, it's going to be a little bit bigger. If you use a lighter weight yarn, it's going to be a little bit smaller. But the crown of the hat should measure anywhere between 3 and 3.5 inches, because it is just for a preemie. So round 4 through 7 are all the same. They're just the repeat of the same row. And it's just chaining up 2, put a double crochet in that very first stitch, and then you're going to double crochet in each stitch all the way around. And then when you get to the end of the round, you're going to slip stitch to join. And rounds 4, 5, 6, and 7 are all like that. So I will meet back up with you as soon as I get to the end of round 7. Alright, so round 8 is the last round. Just going to slip stitch to join round 7. You're going to chain up 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. And then you're just going to single crochet all the way around. One single crochet in each stitch. Uh-oh, this yarn's a bit splitty. Almost there. These beanies are so quick to make. And every year I donate a whole bunch of them. I sell a whole bunch to a lady that turns around and then sells them. She just pays me for my time. And it's usually around the Christmas or the holiday season. But it is most definitely a really good way to use up some of that scrap yarn if you're not looking to do a scrap blanket or something that's large. So when you get to the end of round 8, you just slip stitch into the first single crochet, and then I always chain up 1 before cutting my yarn. My scissors seem to have disappeared. But then you have your little Preemie beanie. And that's what they look like. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.